Preserve your tools is key. I can't say it enough. Cleaning and labor hours, PMs, it's critical. Making sure that you schedule that in. Whether or not you run 24/7 or whatever it may be. Certain tools, it may have to stop throughout a process to be just kind of wiped down or sprayed or whatever it may be, just to kind of remove some residue, just so you can continue to mold a nice, solid, good part. Also, something to think about, cycle time. You keep these tools in good shape and you're going to keep running them. They're going to run good for you. Add a release coating like a NIBOR or a Diamond EN or even a nickel Teflon. It's definitely going to help that resin move throughout your cavity and actually reduce that cycle time. Now, you could, shaving just a few seconds is huge. We have a presentation also on that, a little video that's, I believe, on our YouTube that you could check out. That's key in regards to, being able to schedule your PM. If you can run your job a little bit faster without any hiccups, now you can easily schedule in that hour or two for your PM at the end of the day. And then now through the week, you got 5 to 8 hours, maybe 10 hours to actually do some repairs, pull it out, do a quick little PM on it and then move forward. And once again, staying on top of it also helps with your scrap rate and, making sure that these tools are pristine, the parting lines, the gates vestige, all that good stuff, your surface finish just need to be kind of monitored to make sure there's no changes. If you have a good QC staff, they'll definitely help. But also your techs and even your operators, if you have some good folks working for you, the good operators will say something. Hey, I run this part all the time. Hey, this does not look right. What do you want to do? And then just make note of it. If it's nothing that big, but if it's something over time that may continually get worse, it may be something to stop and take a step back and look at. And if you do coat something, especially with those harsh materials, let the coating take the abuse, save the base material, protect your investment. We can't say that enough. It's definitely out there. These resins that are, once again, fiber filled, whatever is in them, wood filled. We've seen it all and we've heard it all. Just protect your tools. It's key.